Polygon, very important updates for all holders, especially Polygon holders. Don't skip any second of this video because the Polygon has completely falls down at the current time, my friend. But before that, you can see the previous day they go and they like a rocket. I can't expect this to. They also moving off like this, but definitely this is reality, my friends. Polygon is go on the moon. Let's start. What's the update? What's the reality, my friends? Can they? This is possible to them moving upward or not? So don't skip any second of this video and try to understand what I tell you, my friends. First of all, I give you the very latest update. But before I start this video, I request you to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. Absolutely, every tech channel is give you very latest update. My friend, if you can see here after a jump, you can see here, my friends, they completely the direction is going move at this time. You can see here, my friends. So after this fell, my friends, they completely go move up. So my friend, this chart is gonna show you today completely falls down after this jump. You can see here after this jump. After this jump, they falls down more and more, and there is no chance today take a jump, especially in this current time, my friend. But I hope, my friend, after this fall, they also take a. This is important, my friend. Today take a jump exactly. So it's 100% sure, my brother. To after this fails, they take a jump. Yeah, exactly. All right. If we check out the last 1 hour chart, then we understand there is chance today moving upward or not. Yes, exactly, my friends. There is more chance today moving upward. You can see after this short fails, they take a very long jump, and I hope, my friends, after this short fails, they also take a very good jump. Exactly, this is reality. So it's moon, my friends, today slowly moving upward now, and the price is also increasing slowly. So kindly holders, don't sell it, hold it, and wait for a good time. I hope the price is going to be moving upward. The change is going to be positive. So kindly holders, don't do this mistake. Kindly hold it, and if you want to any decision, take a decision, my friends, sell, hold, or buy, kindly research personally. There is no option, my friend, because this is not a financial video. Kindly research personally. And my brother, I give you just advice to this is selling time or holding time. I think this is absolutely holding time. So hold, my brother, because they give you very good profit if you just only wait for the end of this month. So kindly hold it and wait for the end of this month. I hope they completely moving upwards. Thanks for watching. Kindly like this video, subscribe this channel, and press the bell icon for videos notification.